What's good, AJ family gang? It is Amanda here, and we back with another video. Those that are new to our channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. So basically, you already know about the title. We're about to prank my boyfriend. The FBI raid. They knocking at our door, y'all. So I got the speaker and I had to plug it up to his phone. So okay, I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared because he tends to flip out just a little bit. A little bit. But yeah. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Alright, y'all, so I got the speaker and I'm gonna put it over there by the bed so that way it can give it a loud effect. And then I'm gonna have the phone in the bed while I'm doing it. So here we go.
A few moments later.
Ready. Somebody at the door. Somebody at the door. I don't know. Baby, you better get the fucking door. Go on. FBI, open up! Wait, everybody at the door. They would have knocked your boots off. Babe, ain't nobody at the door. It's a prank, babe.
Okay. That's what it is.
Say
Congratulations.
Say Team Marie.
Mommy, you picked the door open?
Yeah. Say Team Marie.
Not buddy, Mommy. Get out.
Team Marie.
What's
I want to pick up my picture.
Team Marie.
Now I want to pick
I
up my
didn't say
picture.
it, bro. Come on.
Mom,
No, you didn't. Team Marie.
Mom,
Marie.
hey, Mommy. Mom,
Say Team Marie.
Mommy. Hey, Mom. Mom, say.
Okay.
Hey, Mom. Mommy, my turn. My turn.
All right, y'all. Definitely got him, so.
My turn, Mom. My turn.
Whatever. I got you. You really got up to open the door.
Hey, hey,
Oh, gosh. All right. See y'all.